All right, let's bring in the management of Reliance Media Works. Anil Arjun, the CEO, is with us right now. Anil, great having you with us. Financial highlights of the second quarter. The performance was slightly sluggish. You want to comment on that?
Yeah, sure. If you look at the revenue, which is the main driver for us, we've done an increase on 21% in terms of trailing quarter basis on revenues. That's been a consistent 20% growth every quarter on a trailing quarter basis. So in a way, it's very encouraging for us because we're well on track to achieve 25% growth on top line on a year-to-year basis. In a lot of ways, this really creates more of a 1,000 crore company by fiscal 12 in terms of year end. In terms of the revenue breakup, we would see a breakup of roughly 60% coming from the exhibition business, about 28% coming from the film and media service business, and the balance of it coming from television production in terms of television software which we produce. Overall, from a perspective of the operations, we are profitable at the operating level. Despite incurring a loss in terms of our stabilization of various businesses like visual effects and 3D conversion within the startup phase, at an operating profit level, we are profitable. If you're mentioning the loss really is account of the interest cost and the depreciation because of the large capex program we incurred in the last 2 years. As you're aware, we built large facilities for studio, visual effects, outsourcing business, which has really been substantial capex, nearly about 400 crores of capex over the last 3 years, and that has really been the draw in terms of depreciation interest on the company. And that's been the reason for the loss. It's really been the interest and depreciation.
Detail the restructuring plans. How would the new restructured entity look like?
Sure. Let me just get to the genesis of why we're looking at the whole restructuring process. You see, as a company between fiscal 06 and fiscal 11, we've grown the asset base from roughly about 150 crores in terms of gross block to nearly about 1800 crores in terms of gross block. In terms of revenues, from roughly about 130 crores in terms of top line for fiscal 06, we're nearly about 1000 crores in terms of top line by fiscal 12. Apart from this big growth in terms of revenue as well as in assets, what's also happened as lines of business from a simple production, from having only a processing laboratory and about 24 screens in fiscal 06, we've actually expanded the entire pie in film and media services. We are present across the entire value chain, studios, cameras, rental, visual effects, post-production, digital mastering, the entire space, not just for film but also in the television broadcast space as also the TV space. Similarly, in the space of the outsourcing business, we now have front ends out of London as well as Los Angeles with a huge BPO back center in India which looks at the whole outsourcing space. In the exhibition space, we've grown not just geographically in India, but also across Malaysia and Nepal and US, which gives us a fairly large footprint of 550 screens across the world. And of course, we've added television production as part of the kitty. So if you look at the entire business of Reliance Media Works, not only has been asset growth and revenue growth, but also has lines of business. There are about 14 individual businesses, which we now want to sort of carve it out into distinct areas of film and media services, exhibition, as well as television production. What we believe will happen with this is that we'll have greater thrust towards each of the businesses individually in terms of management focus, people, employee focus, ethos, client handling, and also eventually strategic growth in each of these businesses. So the board today has taken an in-principle decision to actually explore the possibility of looking at carving out these businesses into 100% subsidiaries, and this will of course require a lot of further work in terms of tax, regulatory and other considerations which have to be looked at, but that's the first step we've kicked off in this process.
All right, Anil, great chatting with you. Let's cut across to Tarun Katyal as well, the chief at Reliance Broadcast. Tarun, there was a bit of a degrowth on both the top line and the bottom line front in the current quarter. You want to comment on that?
So really, the quarter has actually done exceedingly well. If you look at our numbers, we've actually grown year on year on the radio business at about 48%. We've also, the out-of-home business has grown 45%. So very good numbers for a very low seasonal advertising quarter. Both the radio business is actually a PAT positive, and this is our second quarter to have a PAT positive radio business, which is actually exceedingly well for us, because there are 2 or 3 things that are happening simultaneously. One, the advertising in the early part of this quarter was slowing down, and so we had to cover up on that towards the closer end of the quarter, and then there were regulatory influences on the music royalty and some of the other issues which we've been able to successfully resolve in this quarter.
Can you talk about the momentum in the radio business? How was that like, particularly around the festive season?
So the festive season is fairly good. I think October turned out pretty good, and so did September. A lot of advertisers, have actually shortened their spending period from being through the year into quarter 3, quarter 4. So we are hoping that sequentially quarters will start to do much better now. What we've also seen is that advertising is really directly linked to where you are present, and our tier 2 strength is actually playing out very well for us. So our radio business, which is actually quite deeply penetrated, has benefited from this directly. Also, us now getting into Big Magic, which overlaps some of the Hindi heartland, and the radio business and Big Magic actually taking care of a large part of India's TV addicts and radio addicts, is actually helping us consolidate revenues there very well.
Tarun, thanks for that. Thanks for joining us there. Let's go back to TD.